Hi everyone, I'm High5 Einstein and welcome to our lesson in math. Let's learn how to add and subtract whole numbers, word problems. We will learn how to read word problems, choose the right operation, and solve them step by step. What are word problems? A word problem describes a real-life situation. You need to read the problem carefully, find or spot the important numbers, and decide or choose the right operation, whether to add, subtract, or use both. And lastly, you need to check if your answer makes sense or easy to understand. In addition, the clues are altogether, total, sum, combined, more than, added to, in all. Another, in terms of subtraction, the clues are left, remaining, fewer, difference, less than, gave away, spent. Lastly, in both operations the clues are then, later, after that, now, first, then. Here's the example number 1, which is addition. Emma collected 348 stickers. She received 275 more from her friends. How many stickers does she have altogether? Okay, our clue word is altogether, which means to add. In order to know the answer, you need to add the 348 plus 275. It equals to 623. So the correct answer are Emma has 623 stickers altogether. Okay, let's go to the next example number 2, which is subtraction. Here is the problem of number 2 example. A library had 950 books. It donated 286 books to another school. How many books are left? Okay, our clue word here is left, which means it referred to subtract. In order to solve the problem, you need to use the subtraction. 950 minus 286. It equals to 664. So, the correct answer is 664 books are left in the library. Last example number 3. Both operations using the subtraction and then the addition. Here's the problem. A supermarket received 1,250 cans. It sold 845 cans. Later, it received 320 more. How many cans does it have now? In order to solve the problem, the first step is you will subtract 1,250 minus 845 is equal to 405. Then we will go to the step 2 to add. 405 plus 320 is equal to 725. The correct answer is the supermarket now has 725 cans. Now, let's learn the real-life application of this topic in math. We use addition and subtraction every single day at the shops, at school, and when saving money. First, in shopping, add prices to find the total cost, then subtract to work out your change. Second, in school attendance. Teachers add students present and subtract absent ones to find the total in class. Lastly, in saving money. Add your weekly savings, subtract what you spend, see how much is left. Okay, are you ready to answer now the questions? Great job! Now it's time to practice what we've learned. Let's read our first question together. A farmer picked 1,475 apples on Monday and 925 apples on Tuesday. How many apples did he pick altogether? Before solving, let's find the clue words. The clue word is altogether. This tells us that we need to add the two numbers. So, we add 1,475 plus 925. Let's calculate it together. $1,475 plus 925 equals 2,400. Now, the correct answer is C, 2,400. So, the farmer picked 2,400 apples altogether. Remember, whenever you see clue words such as altogether, in total, altogether, or sum, they usually tell you to use addition. Excellent work! Let's move on to the next practice question. Here's the question number 2. A school had 2,180 students. 465 students went on an excursion. How many students stayed at school? The clue words are went on an excursion and stayed at school. Since some students left the school, we need to subtract. So, let's solve it. 2,180 minus 465 equals 1,715. The correct answer is letter A, 1,715. Great job! Keep practicing, and remember to look for clue words that help you decide which operation to use. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Here's the question number 3. Charity funds. A charity raised $3,250 and spent $1,480 on supplies. How much money remained? The clue words are raised, spent, and remained. Since money was spent, we need to subtract to find how much is left. Let's solve it together. 3,250 minus 1,480 equals 1,770. The correct answer is letter A, $1,770. Excellent work! Remember, clue words like spent and remained tell us that subtraction is the correct operation. Okay, let's go to the next question. Here's the question number 4. Ben's reading challenge. Ben read 285 pages in 1 week and 316 pages the next week. How many pages did he read in total? The clue words are in total. These words tell us that we need to add the numbers together. Let's solve it. 285 plus 316 equals 601. The correct answer is letter B, 601. Great job! Remember, clue words like in total, all together, and sum tell us that addition is the correct operation. Keep up the great work. Here's the last question, number 5. A warehouse had 5,000 boxes. It delivered 1,825 boxes and later received 950 new boxes. How many boxes does it have now? Think about the clue words. Delivered means subtract, and received means add. Start with 5,000. 5,000 minus 1,825 equals 3,175. Then add 950. 3,175 plus 950 equals 4,125. So the correct answer is letter B, 4,125. Great job! Remember, clue words help you decide which operation to use. Well done, Math Star! You've completed today's lesson. Remember to read each question carefully, look for clue words, choose the correct operation, and always check your answer. Keep practicing. Every step helps you become more confident in maths. If you need extra support or have any questions, you can visit our website or contact us using the details in the screen. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye!